Currencies, so Bitcoin, this is the weekly chart of Bitcoin. And just, you know, I don't always put all the Hurst stuff on all the site charts in terms of exposing that analysis, but this is the cycle trough I'm looking for in the Hurst analysis here, which would be the an 18-month or higher cycle low, and then up, before we then get this move down that I'm looking for into. So I'm looking for a substantial move up after this to at least 30,000 and possibly a lot higher before we come all the way back down to similar levels. This is over the next few years, but in the meantime, I'm still looking lower for this 4 to complete, and the ideal level is it's somewhere between 20. It's probably 1700 and 3400 is the range. But at the middle of that, 2960 to 3500 is around the level I'm expecting still. If I just flip down to the hourly chart, you can see that we've started back up in this, what I think is this small 4 before we get a 5 down. That gives us 1 of 3 of the final C wave down. Then we get the 2, and then so on and so forth in Bitcoin, and then just putting that into some kind of perspective for you in the 4-hour chart. So there's the initial 1, 2, and this is another 1, 2 developing before we then start to come on down to the target levels in Bitcoin.